For me, Centre3 is a place where I can go and, one, create my products, and two, be inspired because the facilities here accommodate all of the arts, not just screen printing, what I do. You can do everything from design work to paperwork to poster work, a little bit of everything. So I think if you're in any aspect of the arts, this is a place where you can grow that fire and turn it into something either productive or profitable. Hi, my name is Max Francis, and I am the founder and owner of True Hamiltonian. For me, it has to do with creating products that promote and enhance the city of Hamilton. And through that, I've had the ability and the chance to start a company that I run to this day. And we spend a lot of our time just creating new products for our company, but we do so through the arts in an artistic way. Honestly, I'm blown away by the arts in Hamilton. I've been a huge admirer and supporter of the arts, and the reason for that is I feel like it's an essential part of what makes the city so great or so cool. It actually, I stumbled into here because I was walking by and I didn't know what Centre3 meant. So I came in and I talked to the front desk clerk, and they kind of gave me the tour, and I was blown away by the facilities and what was offered. And I signed up that day, and I've been here ever since. As of January 1st, it's going to be our 10-year anniversary, so we've got a massive one-year rollout coming up. We're going to do a huge window display at Centre3, and we've got some very cool ideas. We're going to have cutouts featuring all the different products we've made over the last 10 years, including this one we did this year, Hamilton is Rock. We did a huge fashion show with a rock theme, and it was hugely popular. One of the other things we want to do is another fashion show where the proceeds from the fashion show goes to a local charity. We're going to have a 10-year anniversary badge on all the shirts in the upcoming year. I think 10 years of doing something is a huge accomplishment, so we want to celebrate that, especially with all the people that supported us over the last 10 years. I've come in contact with a lot of amazing people here at Centre3, and they've definitely helped me get to where I am. Collaboration constantly. I think steel sharpens steel, so when you're around people that are doing really cool things, it inspires you to do really cool things. So I think every day that I'm here, I'm getting better. So yeah, it's cool.